Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video we will see how to write a Python program to find a particular digit of a given number. So let's get started. First I will write the program, then later on I will explain. While writing the code we have to be careful with the indentation errors. Yeah, we are done. Now we have to save the file. Click on File, click on Save As. Now we have to give file name, any name as you wish. Here I will give digitnum.py. .py is the extension. We need to save the Python file with the extension .py. So this is the file name with the extension .py. Then click on save. Yeah, file is saved. You can see over here. Now we need to execute this program by command prompt. So click on this. Enter cmd to open command prompt. Enter. Now cd space desktop. We need to give path. Dictionary dir. Enter. Now enter file name, just we save digitnum.py with the extension, then click on enter. Now enter any number as you wish. Now I will enter like this, enter. Which digit you want? Suppose we want third, so enter third digit. See, we are getting 3 over here. 1, 2, 3. This is the third digit. So we are getting 3. Once again we will check. File name.py, enter. Give any number, enter. Now which digit you want? Like I want first digit, so enter 1. We will get 6. In this way, we can find digit. I will copy this and paste over here. This is the output. Now I will explain the code. This is the first line of code. This line is used to enter a number by the user. See in the output, enter a number. We have to enter any number. Then second line of code is used to which digit you want. We have to enter that. See in the output which digit. I want 3, I want 1, like that. And next, if 10 to the power, this symbol is used for power, exponent. D minus 1. D minus 1 means D which digit minus 1 greater than number. N means number here. Then it will enter the loop. If the condition is true, if the statement is true, then it will enter the statement, conditional statement. Then it will print no such digit available. If the statement is false, then it will enter this else. Then it will check while the given number greater than or equal to 10 to the power digit If the statement is true, then it will go this line. This is the floor division, number floor division with 10. Then it will print n modulus 10. N modulus 10 will give remainder. N floor division 10 will give coefficient of a number. For example, if the coefficient of a number is 3.333 something, then floor division it will give 3 as a output. In this way, we can find a particular digit of a given number. This is the code and this is the output. I will explain the output once again. We have to enter a number, any number. Then which digit you want, we have to enter. Then we will get the output. I hope everyone clear with this code. If you have any questions with this code, please comment down below. I will try to make video once again. I will explain clearly. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding.